I found a viral niche for YouTube and TikTok that no one is talking about, even right here on YouTube. Therefore, if you are fast enough to take actions after watching this video to the end, you will become a grandmaster in this niche. Just take a look at these 3 accounts. You can confirm this is no joke. All they do is to display a cute baby that mimics animal sounds. The crazy part is that they have partnership with companies which make baby costumes, helping them to earn few more grants outside the TikTok creativity program. But wait, before you go to the comments and be like, this niche is already saturated or not monetizable, you are right, because you are doing it the wrong way. You see, most people just go there, download someone else's video, re-upload it and expect to get similar results. Instead, you can just gather inspirations from these accounts, twist it and make it your own. Then watch how the algorithm will reward you as you constantly practice what is working for you. So in just few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to make this kind of videos for free. All you need is just a device with internet connection. Let's get to it. Head over to ChatGPT with this prompt, asking it to list 10 animal sounds expressed phonetically. I'm going to show you a faster way to do this and still go viral. Just copy and paste on your Google Notes. The next step is very crucial. Ask ChatGPT to write the image prompt using this prompt. But if you still have issues coming up with a good prompt for your videos, the easiest way to do it is to go to the video on TikTok, copy the URL, open this website, paste the link and download the thumbnail. Go back to ChatGPT, upload the thumbnail and allow ChatGPT to describe the image for you. Use this as your prompt preset for other images. But we are not done yet. Open Leonardo Ai, create a free account if you don't have one. Go to the image creation, copy your first image prompt, paste it on this text box. But let's adjust the settings for better results. Click on presets, select phonics. Choose high contrast. For the image dimension, select 9:16. Then hit generate. The result is really stunning. Copy the second image prompt, paste it here, click on this little icon, copy seed number, go to advanced settings, paste the number here. That will help to keep our image character consistent. Now repeat the process for other images. So what's next? I have tried a lot of image to video AI tools, but video AI really does something different, even as a free tool. Besides, they just launched a new version, which is really incredible. To get started, you need to sign up with your Google account, upload an image, add some text including the actions and the camera angles you want in your video. But for this video, you must specify that the baby is focusing on the camera. I believe the default settings work very well, so just hit create. And in less than 30 seconds, you will get an amazing 4 seconds clip. Use this upscale button to get a higher definition of this video. And of course, the download button is always there. Repeat the process for other images. By uploading the image, add some text. For better results, generate your video, upscale, and download the video into your device. One more step. Open 11 Labs on NaraKit TTS, copy the animal sound response from ChatGPT, paste it on this text box, click on this drop-down menu, select Mickey, go ahead and create your audio. You are free to adjust the sound text till you are satisfied with the result, but to speed up the whole process and still go viral, we need a viral sound. Therefore, open a viral video on TikTok, click on this audio icon, copy the link, open this website, paste the link and download the audio in MP3 format. And here is the juicy part. Open CapCut or InShot Video Editor, upload all the animated videos, upload the audio we just downloaded, adjust the length of the clips to match the audio, cut out the unnecessary parts. Now make few more adjustments like sharpen, temperature, and saturation where necessary. And finally, here is the result.